Annual report. A detailed report of a company's financial performance and operations issued annually to shareholders. It's like a company's diary spilled all over the financial pages. It's where they spill the beans on how they've been spending their money. 2. Arbitrage. The practice of buying and selling securities simultaneously in different markets to profit from price discrepancies. Arbitrage is like playing the stock market version of Where's Waldo? You're on the hunt for price differences to make some quick cash. 3. Averaging down, buying more shares of a stock at lower prices to reduce the average cost per share. Averaging down is like doubling down on your favorite stock when it's on sale. It's like getting 2 for the price of 1. 4. Bear market. A market condition characterized by declining stock prices over an extended period, usually accompanied by pessimism and investor selling. A bear market is like a grizzly bear taking a nap in your investment portfolio. It's time to hibernate until the storm passes. 5. Broker, a financial intermediary who facilitates the buying and selling of securities on behalf of investors. A broker is like the matchmaker of the stock market. They bring buyers and sellers together for a little financial romance. 6. Dividend, a portion of a company's profits distributed to shareholders as a reward for their investment. Dividends are like the sprinkles on top of your investment cupcake. They make your portfolio a little sweeter. It's like getting paid to be a shareholder. Who knew investing could taste so good? Just don't get too greedy and eat the whole cake. 7. Beta, a measure of a stock's volatility relative to the overall market. A beta of 1 indicates the stock moves in line with the market, while a beta above 1 signifies higher volatility. Beta is like the roller coaster ride of the stock market. It's the thrill factor that keeps investors on their toes. 8. Bid, the price at which a buyer is willing to purchase a security. It's like placing a bid at an auction, indicating the maximum price one is willing to pay. The bid is like the starting bid at a stock market auction. It's where the bidding war begins. 9. Bid-ask spread, the difference between the highest price a buyer is willing to pay, bid, and the lowest price a seller is willing to accept, ask for a security. The bid-ask spread is like the dance floor of the stock market. It's where buyers and sellers come together to boogie down. 10. Blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger technology used to record transactions across multiple computers securely and transparently. Blockchain is like the high-tech security guard of the stock market. It's the digital bouncer keeping the riff-raff out. 11. Blue chip stocks, stocks of large, well-established companies with a history of stable earnings, strong financials, and reputable management. Blue chip stocks are like the rock stars of the stock market. They're famous, reliable, and always in demand. 12. Bond, a fixed income security representing a loan made by an investor to a borrower in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal at maturity. Bonds are like the golden retrievers of the stock market, loyal, dependable, and always there when you need them. 13. Bull market, a market condition characterized by rising stock prices over an extended period, accompanied by optimism and investor buying. A bull market is like a stampede of bulls charging through the stock market. It's a wild ride to financial freedom. 14. Buyback, a corporate action where a company repurchases its own shares from the market, reducing the number of outstanding shares. A buyback is like a company treating itself to a shopping spree in the stock market candy store. It's a sweet deal for shareholders. 15. Capitalization, the total value of a company's outstanding shares of stock, calculated by multiplying the current stock price by the number of shares outstanding. Capitalization is like the stock market popularity contest. Bigger, the better. 16. Capital market, the financial market for buying and selling long-term debt and equity securities, including stocks and bonds. Capitalization is like the stock market popularity contest. The bigger, the better. 17. Cash flow, net amount of cash generated or consumed by a business during a specific period, derived from operating, investing, and financing activities. Cash flow is like the heartbeat of the stock market. It's what keeps the engine running smoothly. It's like the stock market version of CPR. Breathe life into your investments and watch them thrive. 18. Commission, the fee charged by a broker or financial intermediary for executing trades on behalf of investors. Commission is like the toll booth on the highway to financial freedom. Pay up or get left behind. It's like hiring a financial chauffeur. Sit back, relax, and let them drive your investments to success. 19. Nifty, the stock market index of the National Stock Exchange, NSE in India, comprising 50 large-cap stocks across various sectors. The Nifty is like the cool kid in the Indian stock market class. It's got style, substance, and swagger. It's like the MVP of the stock market game, always leading the pack and setting the trends. 20. Sensex, the stock market index of the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE in India, representing the performance of the top 30 companies listed on the exchange. The Sensex is like the Bollywood superstar of the Indian stock market. It's got the looks, the fame, and the fan following. It's like the stock market's version of a blockbuster movie. Everyone's watching to see what happens next. Subscribe for more explained videos.